am Jeneline Bonganoy, your teacher for today. For this lesson, we will talk about the basic process skills and how they are utilized in conducting scientific investigations. The key to doing science understanding that scientists do. This primarily involves acquisition of knowledge, and there are several ways of acquiring knowledge. This can be through any of the following: habits, intuitions or guesswork, authorities, reasoning, experiences, and science. Among those mentioned, acquiring knowledge and through science is the most logical and systematic way. In order for us to acquire knowledge through science, we need some basic skills, and these include the following: observing, communicating, measuring, classifying, inferring, and predicting. So first is observing. Observing is a skill where we use our senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Observation can either be classified as qualitative or quantitative, both of which use our senses. In quantitative observations, we utilize instruments or tools such as rulers, balances, and thermometers to provide an observation that is measurable or quantifiable. So after observation, we can now relate or communicate in order to share gather information. This skill is called communicating. Measurable is another skill which involves ascertaining a property of a material and expressing it in a defined unit. As an example, the length of a wooden stick can be expressed in a standard unit called meter, while the mass of the same wooden stick can be expressed in grams. A measurement typically contains two parts. One, a number of magnitude, which tells how much or how many. And two, a unit or dimension, which tells how much of what. Classifying. Classifying is a skill which involves grouping of sets of information, objects or events based on similarities, differences, and interrelationships. This skill is important because it is assumed that if a set of objects share something in common, it may also share other attributes as well. So next skill is inferring. Inferring, which can be derived from an outcome of an observed event. Inferences are explanations or interpretations that usually follow after an observation. Inferences are influenced by our own personal experiences and may change as we make more observations. Hence, our inferences may continually be modified and at times can be accepted or rejected. Lastly, predicting. Predicting is a skill defined as projecting about the outcome of an event. Good observations and good inferences may lead to sound predictions. Because predictions are based on observations and inferences. Because predictions are based on observations and inferences. It is important to note that predictions are not simple guesses and are thus destatable. Integrating these basic science, basic skills will make our learning experience richer and more meaningful. These basic process skills will also become helpful when presented with problems and carrying out scientific investigations. That's the end of our discussion for today. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Thank you. Bye.